Welcome back to Stone Post Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my taxidermy, so let's get into it. Taxidermy should be cleaned at least once a year, if not more, depending on how dirty and dusty it is where you live. I've got this kit from Matuska Taxidermy that has absolutely everything that you could possibly need to clean all kinds of taxidermy. Hair restore, eye polish, combs, the brushes. This was a great investment for me to be able to clean taxidermy. Now these mounts aren't too dirty, but for like a bigger deer mount or something, you could use a vacuum or a pet dryer, something that will blow the dirt off. Just make sure that you're not messing up too much of the hair. You're kind of blowing in the same direction as the hair. So to start, I'm just going to use this little microfiber thing and just brush down with the feather pattern and just get any of that dirt off, any dust. I usually have a bunch of cobwebs on my mounts, but these don't seem to be too bad. Just a light little dusting like that is all that you need. Same thing with this quail here. This is, I think, the first bird that I mounted, so don't judge it too harshly. The next step would be taking the super soft bristled brush and getting into those harder to reach areas and just knocking some of that dust out of those harder to reach spots. Right there around the nostrils, in between the beak. The next thing I want to do is take a Q-tip and some of this purple eye polish. Just spritz a little bit onto that Q-tip there. And just gently polish up that eye. Just a nice small circles. You could also use Windex on a Q-tip or any kind of glass cleaner like that. This is also a good time to inspect for any bug damage. Catch them early, get them treated, either call a exterminator or a taxidermist and they'll be able to help you. Just a little bit of maintenance once a year can go a long ways to preserving your mounts, keeping them looking good for years to come. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I post every Wednesday evening, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.